Okay, another video on this is 162 Rutland Street, DN327ND. Now that is 160. So yesterday there was an emergency repair of this water pipe. There's the new pipe there. So follow that. Then my finger there. This is the pipe that comes into a back garden from the other houses there. So, and there's only one stop tap on the road. There's only one stop tap on the road that feeds all these houses. So in order to do any work inside before a stop tap inside, we've got to shut all the houses. I mean, all the houses there are not going to have any water for as long as it takes. So there's a T there. This pipe gets into 162. This pipe goes into 160 there. Now, before we can backfill, that damage that was caused yesterday by the engineers that have done the emergency repair needs to be fixed. And also what we propose, something quite reasonable, I'd say, since we don't have a dedicated stop tap, we could dig here ourselves, but then I would propose that a stop tap, that T could be put round about a bit closer to here, so we've got more space to put a stop tap that feeds into 162, so that we can actually have the house protected by having a stop tap that is not going to interfere with all the other houses there. Because what happens is, if there's damage into the house that requires a stop tap outside to just stop the water there, which is the case recently about what happened, then we don't need to shut off all the houses there, and we don't need to wait 2 to 3 hours to get all the houses shut off there on Rutland Street, so we have our own dedicated stop tap. So all we need to do is just excavate here, which is quite easy at this point. This needs very likely to be excavated because this needs to be excavated because that needs to be fixed. So further excavations are required, I think. And so yeah, that's the situation.